Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar not working or freezing. If your taskbar is not responding, icons don't open, or everything is stuck after a Windows update, these fixes should help. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Make sure you're in the Processes tab. Then scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Wait a few seconds. In many cases, the taskbar will start working immediately. If this didn't help, move on to the next fix. Press Windows plus R, type CMD now. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Here, type this command and press Enter, sfc/scannow. Wait until it reaches 100%. Then, type this command, you will find it also in the description, and press Enter. If the problem is still there, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type PowerShell. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes to open PowerShell as administrator. Here, copy and paste this command. You'll also find it in the description. Then, press Enter and wait until the process finishes. Once it's done, type explorer.exe and press Enter to restart Windows Explorer. Check your taskbar again. If your taskbar still frozen here is another easy fix. And that's it. If your taskbar was frozen or not responding, it should now be working properly. This issue usually happens after a Windows update, and these steps fix it for most users. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows and PC fixes. See you in the next video.